Hey guys, today we are making camarones al ajillo, which is essentially shrimp cooked in a delicious garlic butter sauce. It's an incredibly easy dish to make, and you can serve them as an appetizer, with crusty bread, as an easy filling in tacos, over a bed of rice. The possibilities are endless. So to make this, we're going to start with some oil and butter in a saucepan over medium heat. We're just going to let this all melt together. This is going to be the base of our sauce. It's going to blend with all of our spices and our lemon juice and our garlic. You can use salted or unsalted butter, but I'm just a sucker for salted butter, so that's what I'm using today. So once this is all melted, it's time to add our garlic. And again, it's up to you how much garlic you want to use. I think this is like the main flavor profile in this dish. So I like to use lots of minced garlic. And we're just going to add it directly into that buttery olive oil sauce and just saute until the garlic is fragrant. We don't want to brown the garlic. We don't want to burn it. So be careful here and pay attention. Okay, so once it's fragrant, we'll add in our shrimp. I've got about 2 pounds of deveined peeled shrimp. And then we'll add our spices. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, cracked black pepper, salt, and some paprika. The paprika adds such a nice smoky, subtly spicy, subtly sweet flavor that pairs perfectly with the butter and garlic. So at this point, we'll just toss everything together to make sure that shrimp gets evenly coated with all of those spices and the buttery sauce. And just continue to cook over medium heat until the shrimp is pink and no longer opaque and cooked through. It should look a little something like this. You'll notice that sauce has developed a really beautiful reddish color from the paprika. And then all that's left here is to just finish our sauce off with some freshly squeezed lemon juice and some lemon zest and freshly minced parsley. And that is it. This comes together in about 15 minutes. The shrimp cooks so fast, so we're really just building our sauce with that garlic and butter, and that's all there is to it. I could eat these right out of the pan and be so happy, but feel free to serve with whatever sides you like, and enjoy. Buen provecho!